A nice sunny day. That's where I came from. I think I'm going through there. I gotta look a little bit more, but I came across this shelter that looks. I mean, it's weird. It's kind of abandoned. I'll look in there in a minute, but this view is what caught my eye. That's a nice valley. And I'm heading somewhere down there to a hostel. Let's go check out this shelter. It's Jefferson National Forest. Yeah, this is different. It's hot in here too. This is kind of unique. Have not seen a shelter like this yet. Definitely keep bears out.